Hey guys, hey, I'm installing my new TackleWebs, actually some additional TackleWebs in my boat, and I have these, some of you have seen, on the side of my center console, or my leaning post rather. This is the Pathfinder, the new Pathfinder logoed TackleWebs, and I have another one right here inside the center console. This is a perfect place to keep your keys, wallet, whatever, stays dry, you know. But I'm gonna put another one here, which is a 20 by 9. I'm actually gonna install this one right here. This one's gonna hold maybe some corks, some leader, some tools, dehookers, things like that. And then right up top here, I have a 12 by 16 installed, and that is just anything goes. Quick access. That's the cool thing about these, is they're, one, super easy to install, and two, really convenient to put just your extra gear, the stuff you're going to use all the time. Packs of hooks, you know, whether it be leader material, gloves. Sometimes, you know, if you're tarpon fishing, you need some gloves. Quick and easy. They're easy to air out and dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this real quick, show you what I've done. On the 20 by 9, I actually peeled off the top edge and halfway down on each side. So what I'm going to do is, actually, I've already cleaned off that side with some rubbing alcohol, made it really clean, so the adhesive sticks incredibly well. So I'm going to go ahead and install this, and I want to make sure it lines up nice and flat and level, of course. Make sure that top edge is good, and once it is, it's ready to be stuck. Now I just gently put it on there just to see, make sure everything is good, and once it is, I'll go in there and push from the center out, same way with the back, and then down the sides. I'll push down, and then I'll go in and remove the adhesive that I peeled off. Maybe. That side's off. This side was already half peeled. So now I'm just pressing down and pushing down, so it sticks really good. And then I come in here for this final row. Peel the adhesive off, or the tape. Now I want to make sure this stretches down and get a really good firm push on it. And that's it. We're in business. TackleWebs. I tell you what, super easy to install, very convenient. You gotta check them out. See ya.